Before we go any further, let me hand you a little superpower for your everyday coding. Every built-in tool you reach for has a hidden price tag. And the moment you can read those tags, your code simply stops surprising you. Here's the big one. In Python, asking, "Is X in this list?" quietly walks the entire list, one item at a time. That is O of n. It gets slower as the list grows. But ask, "Is X in this set?" or "Is X in this dictionary?" And it is a single hash lookup. O of 1. Instant, no matter how big it gets. The same question at a wildly different price. A few more worth keeping in your pocket. Adding to the end of a list with append is cheap, basically free. But inserting at the very front shifts every single element over to make room. That is O of n, every single time. And if you need fast adds and removes at both ends, do not fight a list. Reach for a DQ. It was built for exactly that. None of this is about memorizing trivia. It is about growing an instinct. A quiet little voice that whispers, "Careful, that is O of n." And it is sitting inside a loop. That instinct is what separates code that scales from code that crawls.